Stop projecting into people what you think they need to hear. People don't want to be told what to do unless they ask for it. And typically, if they're asking for it, they want to know how to do it, not what to do. And so if that's the case, you need to stop projecting into people what you think that they need. I might ask a better question like, ooh, what happened over here? And just let that customer talk. Maybe I ask them, ooh, when was the last time that you've had somebody take a look at that roof? And then I rack them, repeat, acknowledge, question. 5 years. So have you had any leaks that you've noticed? Right? So I'm going to ask better questions, in turn, creating a limiting belief. And when they have these limiting beliefs, you become the expert, you become the authority, and you, my friend, can get more deals with larger profits.